Hi everyone, this is the piece of fabric I will be using for my headband. This is 20 inches by 8 inches. I will be folding that into two and taking it to my sewing machine and sewing it all the way down. This is it now, and I will be flipping it over to the right side. I will be ironing where I sewed to the middle, and this will be the inner part of the headband. So right now what I'm doing is folding this into two. And taking half of the front to the back and bringing half of the back to the front. I will be taking this to my sewing machine to sew. I will be cutting out the excess fabric from where I had sewn. And we are done. It is that simple and easy. Share my video, like, and please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.